You lead a busy life, and sometimes finding healthy meals can be a challenge, especially if you're struggling to keep your blood sugar levels in check. But don't worry, we're here to help. Today, we bring you 7 low-carb recipes that are perfect for those on the go. First stop, a chicken and avocado salad. It's simple, healthy, and packed with protein. You can prepare it in less than 10 minutes, perfect for a quick lunch during work. Next, we have a delicious low-carb protein shake. It's an excellent option for breakfast or a post-workout snack. Nutritious and energizing. Who said breakfast can't be healthy and quick? Our third dish is a spinach and cheese omelette. You'll be ready to tackle the day with all the energy you need. Now, for dinner, we suggest a recipe for baked salmon with broccoli. Low in carbs but full of flavor and essential nutrients. We can't forget about chicken meatballs with homemade tomato sauce. A comforting and healthy dinner option. If you're in a hurry for lunch, try a lettuce wrap with grilled chicken filling. Gluten-free and packed with flavor. Finally, for those moments when you need a quick snack, we present a low-carb smoothie, full of antioxidants and vitamins. And there you have it, 7 amazing low-carb recipes that will help you keep your blood sugar levels in check, even when you're on the go. Subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. We want to hear what you think of these recipes. Leave your comments below and share with your friends who are also looking for delicious ways to control blood sugar. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and convenient recipes. Until next time.